Shortly about myself, I was a 16-year-old kid. I was a Protestant. I used to go to the church every single week. I used to go to Bible studies weekly. And one of the things I used to do when I went to school was bring my Bible and also talk to people about Christianity. So I used to always bring my Bible in my backpack to school. I used to read it during break, and I used to talk to other kids, because I was 16 years old, about Christianity. There's one specific brother that I used to be very close with, who became a Christian. I invited him to church. He also became a Muslim, I think a year after me. So as I said, I used to be someone who talked about religion a lot at school, but I know that there was also someone at school who used to do da'wah, and he used to talk to people about Islam. I personally never talked to him. Now, what happened was, during the exam period, one of the things that the school used to do is they used to put the students in the dining hall, and they used to basically mix different students and put them on one table. I think they did that so you wouldn't cheat on your exams. Now, what happened was that the school put me and him together at the same table. A lot of things that I did is I took out my Bible, because I always had my Bible with me, and I put it on the desk. And he saw that, and after he finished his exam, he asked me, can I have a look into your Bible? And that one interaction, when we started to talk about Christianity and about Islam, was really the starting point for me, where my eyes opened on Islam.